welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about get ready with me for Halloween. Happy Halloween to everyone, but be safe and yeah, go for trick and treating, go outdoors, don't go indoors, but don't forget to wear your mask and carry your hand sanitizer. Yes, so let's just get started for this Halloween. What I'm doing, I'm gonna do my makeup. I actually was planning for a lot of things, but I know it's a hard time, you know. It was like really confusing that are we gonna go for the trick or treat for Riyansh or not. I mean, like, this is what we do every Halloween. We just go for the trick or treat for Riyansh, or I can say with Riyansh, and that's it. That's our Halloween. So even though this year this was also confusing because of COVID-19, but we are going now. I mean, like, we're gonna go outdoors just for a few blocks, and you know, we'll show Riyansh like what Halloween is. And because this year he is very excited, and he is understanding everything. He's 3 years old, so yeah, we're gonna do something. And I was he is becoming a monkey. I was also planning to be some animal, you know, something bunny or something with him, but you know, I was always a late. I always plan things like on the, you know, last point, and I always get disappointed because, you know, I find nothing. So finally I've decided to become a devil. Yeah, I'm becoming a devil, and now I'm gonna start my makeup quickly because else it will be very late. So yeah, I've already prepped my face. It's time for the foundation. These are my two foundations, NARS and MAC. So I bought them separately, and I have these two major foundations in my you know, vanity box. But then I realized one day that these two, when I mix them, that's my best shade. I'm going to mix these two. See? Yeah. You know, whenever I used to apply Aruba, I feel that's little dark on my face. Whenever I used to apply MAC, I feel that's little lighter on my face. So, you know, that was always a kami or confusion. But now it's all good. Riyansh is at his grandfather's house, as you all know. Till now, every weekend he go there, you know. I was facing adult acne last year, but now they're going, touch wood. Yeah, I'm gonna share my skincare routine with you guys very soon. I'll move on to the eyes, and I'm planning to do some smoky eyes. Yes, let's do the smoky eyes. Here it is, the black, you know, Sesmoe's black eyeshadow crayon. Let's do this. Apply this here, and then I'm gonna blend with my brush, you know. Ooh, how is it? I think it's turning good as of now. I'm gonna use my all-time favorite James Charles palette, and I'm gonna use a black color from this. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of shimmer eyeshadow on top of this, and this is the one. I hope this looks good on top of that. Ooh. That looks nice, right? Let me just, you know, use my finger and pack it all over my eye. Oh my god, it looks so good. I think so. So this is how my eye look. So I'm gonna just clean a little bit wing from here and show you the final look, guys. So I am using Ardell Wispies. I'm going to finish my makeup look with red lipstick, and I am using this time Fenty Beauty red lipstick. And yeah, this is for the first time I think I'm gonna use this, and let's do it. Oh, it seems very complicated. Why are my hands are like actually sharing? Good, everything is good, and I am done. So this is my makeup, guys, and I'm gonna wear my black clothes all over it. I'll show you my final look. Stay tuned. Hey, here's my final look, guys. Yeah, that's my makeup. That was my quick, fastest and worst makeup online on video. video. But yeah, I'm the Red Devil, and these are like few items which I'm adding to my all black outfit because it's so cold outside. We're gonna go out for the trick or treating with Riyansh, and we have to run. We are really late. And I am Devil, and Sharmaji is nothing.
Sharmaji.
Hi, look at that. Who is this? That's Riyansh wearing Nike. Oh, that's not Riyansh. That's a monkey. Who is he? डर गया मेरा बच्चा. अपनी माँ को देख के डरेगा. मुझे बच्चे डरेगा. That's a monkey. Oh, you are a monkey? Monkey looks. Oh, what is Bua? Bua is a Minnie Mouse and Riyansh is a monkey. Treat. Ooh. Who gave you treat? Papa gave you treat?
Hi Riyansh.
Look at that. Look at that monkey. Riyansh, look. Okay, Riyansh, this monkey is scared from the Joker.
Papa.
Okay, that's Papa under there.
Happy Halloween.
Trick or treat. Riyansh got scared from his papa and from his mama. He said like, who's this lady with black eyes? I'm a devil, baby. Devil mommy. Hey, we are at Times Square. Hey, a trick or treat at Times Square. Ooh. This Halloween going good. That's a bunch of dinosaurs, and it was our last minute plan to come here. Hey monkey! Oh, I love it. It's so amazing. Oh my god, I'm loving here. These groups. Here is everybody. Picture with Nate, horse, and a police. Yay! ये कौन है? हाँ? Oh my God, Riyansh, go and dance with him. Oh, that's a Spider-Man. Monkey is happy. Monkey is jumping. Ooh, Riyansh, look here. Say hi, guys. Ooh, ooh, ah.
Jump, jump.
Joker is so boring. He's taking us home at 9. It's just 9. Why this Joker is so annoying? Monkey is in a full mode now. Monkey, stop! Oh, that's a full moon. Finally, we saw full moon on Halloween.
Spooky, scary.
Yes.
The moon.
Look at that moon. उसको दिख नहीं रहा है, उसे दिख नहीं रहा है चेतना. You don't.
You see full moon on Halloween?
What is that? That's a moon?
Yes, what's that?
And it's time for the werewolves to come out.
My moon.
Happy Halloween. Kitty. Monster.
Bolo, love you. Bolo, see you later. Alligator. Good night.
I love you. Good night. It's cold. Thanda, hi Thanda. Go in. Haan, chalo, bye. First of all, look at my lipstick. It's all because of mask, you know, wearing and removing. It's all because of that. And yeah, it looks so ugly. Now better, yeah. So it was so much fun. We thought we only gonna go for a little bit of trick and treating, but no, we decided and we went to Times Square, and it was amazing. It was totally fun. Enjoy my Halloween vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Happy Halloween and much love. Mwah.